Welcome to Biryani Boy, Indian authentic street food.
Hi, my name is Sana and I'm a manager in Biryani Boy.
A good trending biryani selling in Chelmsford. আমার লগে আছেন Biryani Boy owner. When did you open this Biryani Boy?
So it's been almost 7 years that we are here, and we started from street food, the stall.
Okay.
So you can come and try our biryanis. We have veg, non-veg option.
For Foodies is the best place to come and visit.
While watching your video, we're gonna give them 15% discount.
So if you guys come here, then you'll get 15% discount. Foodies Takeoff, just mention the name. Brother will look after you guys, and hopefully you guys will enjoy Chelmsford. If you come around Chelmsford, all food is invited here at Biryani Boy, and try this new concept, new biryani. They're very specialized about the street food and biryani. Authentic biryani. Smell is very good. Very nice, tasty. Round and round. Oh, Bismillah. So এটা লগে তারার শিক কাবাব লগে গ্রিন চিলি দিলাম উপরে লগে তারার yogurt sauce spread on onion, some tomatoes. এখন খাইয়া দেখি কিলা মজা। Kebab dry na, very juicy and tender. Tender. Real Indian street food pakora. So let's try this. So it depends to the naga sauce. It's nice.
Hi, my name is Sana and I'm a manager in Biryani Boy. So today you are here and you have tasted the food. So I believe that you must liked it. And our food is all about the authenticity of Indian culture, of Pakistani culture, of Mauritian culture. So we mixed it up with lots of spices, aromatics. I invite all of you to come and have dinner with us or lunch with us. We do authentic kebabs, grills, biryanis, chaat, street food, and some amazing drinks. So thank you so much for coming today, and I hope you had a good time at Biryani Boy. So we have here the sitting capacity, and we have our upstairs dining area as well, and that's our live kitchen. If you want to come and see, we cook everything fresh here with our most amazing chef.
You guys are starting a new breakfast in the
Yes.
morning as well.
We are
Asian
about to
breakfast.
start our new Asian breakfast. So I invite all of the Asian community in Essex to come and join us for our breakfast. And we have our upstairs seating capacity.
So basically, you have got more people capacity in
Yeah,
upstairs.
we hire rooms as well. We hire for events.
Okay.
So we have a food van as well.
Okay.
So we do catering, and that's our upstairs sitting area.
So this is like a party room. People,
Yeah,
if
we
you want,
do.
they want to book for the
Yes.
private hire, for birthday parties,
Yes.
for any kind of parties.
Yeah, corporate events,
Yeah.
birthday parties,
Friends get together, anything
weddings,
could.
receptions,
Yeah.
everything.
So you can accommodate more people
Yes.
upstairs for the Biryani Boy.
Yeah, right.
Okay. Also, there is a nice view from the window.
Yeah,
You
you can
can
have a
look-
street view of
Yeah, for the high street
high
view.
street view.
And very nice restaurant
Thank you.
for any kind of corporate events or any friends get together or anything. Biryani Boy restaurant, এরপরে Biryani Boy van. So they do event as well. So any kind of Asian wedding, birthday event, they do outdoor event with the van. So anytime তারারে hire করতে চাইলে hire করা যায়. So it's a good opportunity, sitting in, dining in, takeaways. At the same time, any corporate event or anything they cover. So লাগলে quick phone call to Biryani Boy and smash the biryani. So what are you making?
I'm making prawn rogai. That's our Mauritian delicacy.
It's a Mauritian.
Yeah.
Oh,